Hello everyone, welcome back to my 75 days English speaking challenge. Today I want to share with you an interesting story about a 12-year-old boy named Raju. Raju was a poor boy, but he was very clever. Their family owned a buffalo. This was the only source of income for their family. So he used to graze the buffalo near the dense forest. So every day he took the buffalo to the forest for grazing. One day, like every day, he went to the forest for to graze his buffalo. He tied the buffalo to the big tree because he wanted to go to collect some firewood for his house. So he went to the forest after tied the buffalo to the big tree, and he was collecting firewoods. After when he came back, he saw there was his buffalo has gone. He searched everywhere. He he shouted, "Lakshmi, Lakshmi, Lakshmi," because the name of buffalo was Lakshmi, but there was nothing, and he was worried. He was thinking, my family will scold me. So he went to the village headman and he said, I have lost my buffalo. So the village headman asked him, where have you seen the buffalo last time? So he said, I have tied the buffalo to the big tree and I went to collect firewoods. Then when I came back, I did not find my buffalo. So uh, the headman and the boy, they together go to the same place where the buffalo has been lost. They seen a strange thing. There were some peels of fresh bananas, and the village headman said there is only one man who feeds their animals banana peels. So who? So Bhola is a man who feeds his animals banana peels. So they said, let's go to visit Bhola's house. They went to the Bhola's house. They asked, we are searching for a buffalo, for a missing buffalo. The Bhola said, nervously said, which buffalo? I don't know. I don't know any buffalo. And they said, the village headman said, there were some fresh banana peels where the buffalo has been lost. So you tell us, where is the buffalo? He said, I don't know any buffalo, I don't have. And after some time they listen the sound of the buffalo mod, the sound of the buffalo. They hears the sound buffalo was making, and they caught red-handed the greedy Bhola said, I will not do this again. They find their buffalo, the old 12-year-old boys Raju's buffalo they have found. And the village headman said, in difficult situation we have to think and we have to observe, because the boy was very clever. They observed the situation very calmly and they found their lost buffalo. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.